Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ORCL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the crazy day here for Oracle with all the news and the headlines, and there's the halt and all that. But now that the dust has settled, there's a couple of technical levels that really stand out, and I don't want to come across like this is some sort of special talent that I have or this is some sort of special discovery. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of these levels, and I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's what we have with a couple of these levels. The first area that a whole lot of people are going to be watching, myself included, that level of support right there at $59.40. I mean, you look at the number of times where the price held it, and then closed slightly right at that level. So that's one of those areas where there's going to be tons of people watching and wondering, and rightfully so, if that level cannot quite hold up, that could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Not a guarantee, but my core point here is that it's a more than valid, it's a more rational thought to have. So 59.40-ish, definitely going to be a level that many people will be watching. If that level can't quite hold up, the next level of support would be this breakout back test area right down there around the $58 mark. Now on the flip side, maybe that level of support once again does hold up and start to work its way back upwards. And if that's the case, then the other level that a whole lot of breakout players are going to be watching is right up there at that area, which sits at, let's make sure I get this right. Yeah, $60.40. So 60.40 going to be a level where you can see right here, 3 times in a row, price tried to get above it, could not quite do it. So that's going to be an area where, again, not a guarantee, but a valid, rational thought that if the price gets up there and can break up through there, that could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. But all in all, we'll see what happens with it moving forward, but some definitely well-defined areas to watch moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.